During a school emergency, every second counts. Let's walk through how Verkada's platform helps you manage a crisis step by step. With Verkada Access Control, authorized staff can trigger a campus-wide lockdown with a single tap from their smartphone or desktop, immediately restricting access to school buildings. You can also set up school or district-wide lockdown scenarios ahead of time, defining which buildings or doors should be secured. Meanwhile, school camera feeds can be shared with police via SMS or a direct link, giving them real-time visibility into what's happening before they arrive on the scene. A digital floor plan shows responding officers the school layout and displays all camera locations, helping them see inside the building. From that same view, system admins can unlock specific doors for law enforcement remotely, reducing delays and speeding up response. Verkada also helps with student reunification. After an incident, teachers can see a list of their students and mark them as accounted for on their smartphones. Guardians can then check in at the front office through Verkada Guest, where staff or first responders can verify identities and reunite students with their guardians. From the initial lockdown to the safe reunification of students, you can manage every step with confidence from a single platform.